one. A couple of LED lights, if you guys can see it. They look like rice within copper. All right, today we're gonna bring in these LED lights. They look beautiful, you guys can see, very decorative. They have a little LED lights all over and some illuminations right there, aluminum all over, copper. So they come really neat, really packed in here. All right, you can use this for any holiday if you want, or if you want to design your backyard with some lights. I put some wood right now, so I want to hang them from there temporary, and then drill them down maybe permanent on the cement, on the actual brick. But for now, we're just gonna line them up, see how they look at night. See if it gives you some little brightness out here in the backyard, because not that much to do. You can replace the light bulbs. They do sell them different separately too, but if you guys can see, they all come well neat in here. There's a power adapter here, and it's waterproof too, so water resistant. Not waterproof, but water resistance, if you guys can see this. So we're gonna set these up, and if you notice, you don't need to buy extra ones because they give you 2 additional extra ones, and we could go into a little bit more details how they look. You can see like a couple of LED lights in there. Really neat. So go ahead and put it together and see how it works and how it looks at night. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, just to give you guys a heads up, I don't have any power out here, so I plugged in a battery. 24 hours actually, if you guys can see how much energy consumption is. Actually, it's gonna go for 24 hours on a 60% charge. So if you're gonna take, you can actually take these lights camping with you guys in the middle of nowhere and enjoy the lights in your campfire. Take an external battery like I did. It's gonna last for more than 24 hours. Of course, the longer you charge the thing, the more it's gonna last. So that's another option you can do, an external battery like I did. Look at the lights here, guys. Check them out. Beautiful little lights going all the way down, all the way here. And if you guys come closer, let's take a look at one of them. I'll put my hands right next to one. A couple of LED lights, if you guys can see it. They look like rice within copper. Like they give you extra ones. Beautiful little lights. Go all the way down. Look how they look. If you're expecting lighter, like brighter lights, this is more for aesthetic, more for like a beautiful little backyard. We're gonna do a little bonfire here later. Have some little lights here. We're gonna turn off this LED light to give them more comfort. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.